Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today we're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence and discovering the top free AI tools that can be your secret weapon in the competitive realms of academia and job hunting. In our fast-paced digital landscape, staying ahead is key. Let's explore these game-changing AI tools that can elevate your game. First up, we have Blackbox AI. Imagine having a coding assistant at your fingertips. Blackbox AI suggests code snippets, functions, and even accepts voice commands to write code for you. It keeps your code organized with AI-based version tracking and even generates readme files with a single click. Oh, and did we mention there's a handy Google extension, Seamless? Next on our list is Humata AI, a true gem for both students and job seekers. With Humata AI, you can create your very own AI model. Simply upload your document and it does the magic. Now you can ask questions, get summaries, and much more. It's your AI-powered sidekick. Now meet Claude AI from Anthropic, a strong rival to ChatGPT. What sets Claude apart is its ability to read documents, upload, and it comprehends. And here's a little secret, you can use Claude AI globally with a VPN. Let's talk about Rezi AI, your AI-powered resume builder, and more. Create AI-based resumes with ATS optimization, ensuring you're noticed by employers. Get real-time content analysis and craft tailored cover letters effortlessly. Last but not least, we have Rytr, your AI writing assistant. Rytr can generate ideas, content, and outlines for blogs, articles, or essays in a single click. Need a catchy brand or product name? Rytr's got you covered. It even helps craft startup pitches and generate business ideas. So there you have it, the top free AI tools that every student and job seeker should have in their arsenal. From coding assistance to crafting the perfect resume, these tools are your ticket to success in our AI-driven world. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech insights. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Stay ahead, stay empowered, and embrace the future with AI. Until next time.